Morning. Pretty good. Pretty cool. Some fans? 2, 3, 4, 6. Would you be selling your ATVs? Laser tag. That's pretty cool. Send it on. Drone. It's cool. A lot of remote control stuff here. That's it. How much you selling your shock for?
Yes. Oh, it's so nice to meet you. All right, you brought a helper.
$10?
I like it.
I didn't even think about it.
2 or 3 bags in there for shock.
Oh, okay.
Hold on 1 second.
Oh, good deal.
Yeah, we got rid of our pool, so
It's
Oh,
right
we're
inside
selling the
house.
house, and the realtor told us
Okay.
it was a good idea to get rid of the pool. So,
Oh, really? It was an in-ground pool?
no, it was above ground.
Above ground? Oh, okay.
Did you? Hold on 1 second. They want the that box. But not the
Outward Hound. That's pretty cool.
Just tell my husband
Dog
everything
bag.
you want, and I'll give you a deal. Okay.
R2D2? This is pretty cool. It feels heavy. This is batteries in it. It's pretty awesome.
I'll wait for the box for you. And here's a super one
Call of Duty, Activision. Oh, Xbox One. Not too bad. It's in there too. How much is your Xbox? Do you have any consoles?
What now?
Do you have any consoles to go with this, or you just have a game?
No, that was we bought that when we had a console, and the console actually broke,
Ah.
and that's just one of the games that we had left over.
How much is it?
$5.
5? That's tempting. All right, you can do it. What kind of tablet is this?
What's that?
Does it work? How much is it? This is cool. He's one of those glass. This is heavy. You can make a killing out of that. It's a generator. That's an old one. There's another drone? Wow. There's a drone. With a camera. This is pretty sweet. Check that out. Oh, this is cool. Is this real? Oh, that's pretty awesome. I like looking up here too. You got some good chemicals up here. And, what are they selling? Moments. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's like real. How much is your little drone in there?
45.
45? Okay. 45. Are you selling more inside the house?
We were, but everything inside the house is sold now.
Oh, okay. Chairs, some pizzas, portieres, some murders, murder blades. Hello. Artists, lock, peas, pies, crossword puzzles. Got a drill, got a mailbox. Hand tools. There's a gauge. Let's see what this gauge is. Goes up to 100. That's not too bad. That's interesting. Put it over here so I can see it. This is cool. Let's see. This is a brush cutter. It's not too good though. Let's see, concrete. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Sometimes you have to dig. That's it. What we got here? Oh, we got some screws. These are pretty good. Fix the fence with those. Interesting. Look at these numbers. You can use that one. You can't use the other two. This is interesting. Drywall screws. More screws. Alright, I'm still looking here. Still. What we got over here? Ooh, chemicals. Windshield wiper fluid. What's this? This is interesting. Let's see what we got here. Sense all purpose. Some salt. We get some aluminum. This is one of those inversion machines. 250 pounds. That's interesting, actually. Oh, we got some golf club heads. Interesting. Plant food. What's that? Is that empty? Oh, that's not too bad. Interesting. How much is your plant food? $1. Okay, that's interesting. What's this? Bruce Hardwood Lumber. Okay. Lots of interesting. Anything more for sale in the garage?
Tools in the car.
The tools? Oh, I have to take a look then. Are you selling your pressure? Oh, sold. I see it. Sold. Oh my gosh, everything's sold. I know I'm $1 short, day late. Okay, still looking. Still looking. What do we have here? A cute puppy with an umbrella. How cute. Yes. This is the only thing that's really interesting. It's right here. That's fine. $10. I'll take 5 for it. Yes. Definitely seen better days. There's a big crack here. It's big crack in the gas tank. This is going with gas. It's not a good thing. And maybe I should not buy it. Alright. How much is your hand jack? $35? Okay. It's tempting. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I said hand jack because you jack it by hand. Sure. No, I hear you. It's a great jack. Great price. Okay. Oh, bass shops. This is cool. Good. Perfect spray. Okay, I see a nice little American flag here. It's got to be displayed correctly. There we go. This is interesting. You can stamp it and make little squares, I guess. Pizza cutter. Okay. Change purse and calculator. Okay. What is this? Zoom spout contains superior sewing machine oil. Interesting. Heavy starch. That's a good deal. So take out the wrinkles. Let's put that down. Let's see. So the only thing I'm still thinking about is a couple of those little tiny things and some chemicals. You got a nice little Siberian tiger. Nutcracker playing drums. Got a nice little luggage. It's got some wheels. The wheels are still intact. Sometimes the wheels are busted. Nice little arm, a little wear there, but overall it's great. Great luggage. Hard hats, nice. Look at this ottoman. I mean, green's an awful color, but still, he just reupholstered that. Spice there.
It's all for the mountain stuff we collect, isn't it?
I hear you. It was a little bit of work.
Okay.
Now this is a wrench. Ah, nice.
That's only a left-handed one.
Ah. No, you flip it. There it goes. Ta-da! Ta-da!
When I was in Vietnam, we were working out. The guy told me the left-handed pressure wrench.
Never came back. Never came back.
How much are your wrenches?
I'm gonna let him go for $75.
Okay,
Whole set.
it's a great deal. All right, let me think about it. Interesting. Here it is. Okay. Look at these beads. Christmas. Old Saint Nick. Beanbag. Purple sheets. Or drapes, I guess. How much are your purple drapes?
Let's see. I had to put them down today. There's, you want to know how big they are or anything? Or you just want to know how much?
Yeah, I'm kind of curious as how much they all are.
I'd probably say $20 for all of them.
Okay. Okay. Let me think about it.
And they're blackout.
Okay. That's nice. A friend of mine's got an RV, and this would be perfect to black out to put over the driving area. Let me think about it. It's a great deal. Light bright. Love it. See, light bright. Light bright, making things with light.
Those are yours or jeans? Probably a couple bucks. Nice one too. I don't know what speeds probably. Again, probably not much. Yeah, there you go.
Are you from Ohio?
Well, no, but we weren't too far from Cincinnati. We were in Lexington.
Oh, okay.
We'd go up there to the ball games.
It's okay.
Okay, no, I've met
I
a lot of.
actually grew up just outside of Dayton, Ohio, when I was in elementary school.
Oh, okay, no, I met a lot of people from Kentucky and Ohio today. I guess this must be the sharpener.
Yeah, blades and drill.
Oh, I see. Oh, sweet. And grinding wheel there. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, let me think about it. How much is it? I'm just curious.
$3.
Okay, let me think about it. It's a great deal. It's a little nice sharpener. A little grinding wheel. Oh, wow.
Very nice. Here, I'll take
Let's see the wheel go. Oh, yeah, the wheel does go. Yeah. Okay, that's sweet.
That's the one that tells the time on the ceiling.
Oh, nice, nice.
Oh, yeah, really?
Still looking, still looking. Get some ideas. Is this still a good tire?
Yeah. $5.
How much is it?
$3.
Oh, that's a steal. Let me think about it. Ooh.
This goes on the drill, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Still looking, still looking.
For that?
Yeah.
Looking.
Yeah, no, I'll go sit down with this. Goes in there.
Yeah, it goes to drill.
What's this?
And make it to that angle.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
That's got shut.
Okay. It's a nice little cart. Look at this little cart. This is sweet. $25, nice.
I know, I have too.
That's gonna be strong. Oh, what we got here? I see a toilet thing holder. Goes into the wall. It's pretty cool. Let's see what we got here. Oh, some more toilet plumbing. Okay, that's cool. CB radio. Whoa. Some of them. This is cool too. Okay. Tool belt. Some more pictures. Ah, what's the guard still without a helmet? Without a helmet with a dent on it. Look at this helmet though, it's nice. Nice cushy. Nicely cushioned. Someone survived. Okay. What is this? Something on his forehead. Charlie Brown, you have something on your forehead. Snoopy. These are amazing. Now this is the red Baron Snoopy. Of course we have a Keurig. Pretty awesome. We have some ladies' pocketbooks. And, some of these. Okay, and we got. Oh, what's here? What's here? Oh. Hey, Walt Disney World. Pirates of the Caribbean, Walt Disney World. Sweet. My parents would always when we got out of the ride Pirates of the Caribbean, they would like pull my hand really hard so we get out of the gift shop really fast. So funny. As a little kid, I never understood that because I'm like, wait a minute, this is the best part. We're in the gift shop. It's pretty cool. Interesting. Here's a glass of, one of those eggs. It's interesting. All right, hold on. Put it aside there. Put it aside. See what's going on. What's this? There's a big glass piece here. Oh, it's cracked a little bit now. Darn it. Pirates of the Caribbean. Terrible. All right. We got down here. Rearview mirror. The best thing on the ground. Wow, look at that. Alright, this is another grinder. Drill doctor. What is this? He's got all these drill fixing things. Oh, Canon, what's that? That's a big thing. Oh yeah, is that a printer? Is it a printer or a scanner? Probably a printer. It was open, now I can't open it. Oh, it's one of those things. Oh yeah. It's a little printer. It's pretty cool. What is this? Is this one of these little tiny vacuum things? No. It can't be. What is? What is this? This looks like some kind of a vacuum, but it uses an airbrush. Spot blasting kit. Wow. $5. It's like spot blasting, but it's got like some kind of vacuum tip on it. The air hose. Alright. Terrible. This is so terrible. Okay, what do we got here? This is like a vibrating sander. Not like a grinding wheel. Oh, there's a little grinding wheel in there, I see. Okay. Still interesting. But I'm not a connoisseur, I gotta be careful. Wheel and tire. Wheel and circle cutter. Oh, cut things in glass. Wow. This is interesting. Terrible. Alright, hold on. I gotta control myself. What is this? Oh, this is a, this is interesting. Some kind of cutter. So you just put your paper in there and you cut it. Wow. There's big letters and stuff. Straight lines. Got it. Good thing you put that rug there. Oh, that's for a telescope. This telescope. Oh wow, you made a homemade telescope. I just realized that. Well, that's fantastic.
Yeah. And I learned how to do it in a workshop, and then I had my 7th grade science kids make their own.
Morning. Okay, so recap. I got this lawnmower. They had it priced for 20. They dropped it to 10. I got it for 5. It wasn't looking like this. They had a little crack on the fuel tank. So I just put some Gorilla Glue there. Put a little bungee cords to hold it in place. And it's got $50 or $60 written all over it. That Gorilla Glue holds. I'll give it a good 24 hours for it to harden. So that was $5. So that lawnmower, 22 inch. I know it's a side, but it's one pole. The guy tested it for me. It's really cool. The next thing I got, this Craftsman. This was part of the package deal. This is a motorcycle lift. This is pretty cool. It works. It's got to be locked in place for it to work, but basically this has to be put over this, and to get it done you just lift it up manually and then you stick that in place and you can jack it up. I did it once already, and I have the arm for it. The arm is right over here. So that basically it was that fuel can. Okay, obviously that iron, the lawnmower, and this, as well as all these chemicals that you see here. All these chemicals. That was all $25. So the lawnmower was in effect $5. These chemicals were $2. That's what I negotiated, and then this was whatever it was, $17. So 17 plus 5 is 22, 23, I should say. I guess that was 18. 18 plus 5 is 23, plus 2 is 25. So I didn't think I did too bad. So that wasn't too bad. And of course I got the gas can with some gas in it too, which is even better. So consider that maybe $1 or so in gas. Next thing I bought is this bell for $1, 26-inch tire, and it even says with Teflon fiber. Not Teflon, excuse me. Kevlar fiber, Teflon, that's good. Yeah, with Teflon fiber for cooking. No, it has Kevlar fiber, so to prevent holes. The guy said never was used, so just old, but that's excellent. I mean, the treads look brand new, so that was $1. So $26. This bag of goodies down here. You can see there's 2 spent shells in there. There's a little tiny cap gun here. There's a little tiny cap gun there. 3 shells actually, 3 spent shells and 2 little cap guns. That was 50 cents. It reminds me of my childhood, I guess, so I had to buy that, 50 cents. And then I got this Pirates of the Caribbean gun. Don't ask me why. 50 cents. So that was $1. So 25, 26, 27, or $27. And then for my last purchase, for $1, I got a Bluetooth wireless headset, rechargeable. So I couldn't resist. So only $1. So I spent $28 today. It was a pretty good day. I thought it was going to be lackluster, but it ended up to be good. So $28, and I know I can sell this between 50 and 60 right now. It is rainy season, so that's easy. And then this lift, this I might be able to put between $60 and $70 on it. We'll see. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit, get rid of some of that rust, shine it up. And I know lifts like this sell for starting at $100 in the store, so we'll see. All right.